quite literally the first day in probably, gosh knows, I bet 7 or 8 weeks since I've rode this bike, since this bike has been on the road. It's been at least 2 months. And it is running like crap. Slow ass speed limits. It's 62 degrees today. I had to get her out. Going back to work from lunch. Of course, as soon as I put it in neutral, the darn light turns green. Well, it's amazing how quickly you, after 2 months of not riding, how quickly you kind of forget the feel of a machine. Since I got back into riding in 2013, that is the longest I've ever went without riding. Woo! Okay, let's not do that. It went to push in the choke and touch the engine head cooling fin. Luckily, she's still in the warm-up phase, so it hadn't got really, really hot. That's still damn hot. Boy, I've missed the sound of this before, though. I'm not kidding. Feels good to be out on 2 wheels, guys. I mean, it feels really good to be out on 2 wheels. I never dreamt that it would feel this good to be back out on a motorcycle. I cannot wait to get that freaking Interceptor back running, though. This has got me excited. Because as much as I like this bike, I love riding that Interceptor. Just not on trips. Not for a long period. Well, I don't mind riding it quite a while by myself. It's going to be absolutely freaking awesome going back and forth to work on that little thing. It is so little. Ooh, I'm doing good on my balance though, dang. There was no feet down right there that last. What the hell are you doing, Chevy?